Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are considering fifth type of memory operand addressing mode, and that is based index memory operand addressing mode. So in this addressing mode, one of the operands should be memory because we are talking about memory, but effective address calculation will be using both base plus index. That is why it is called based indexed memory operand addressing mode. So we will be using base as well as index and plus displacement as well. So we need to have both base plus index, right? So base value will come from bx or base pointer, as we have discussed only in the base addressing mode. uh, Index value we will take from SI or DI register, that is source index or destination index register, as we have discussed in simple index memory operand addressing mode. And displacement would be given in the instruction either 16-bit or 8-bit. Let's go to example and check how it is different from base mode or how it is different from index mode. So this is the example and the instruction is this one. Let me write it for you so that it become much more clear. Move AH comma BX SI plus 1234 hex. Uh, Interesting point to note that we have given two square brackets because we are given two different registers, because one register will be providing base value, another register will be providing uh, index value, right? But since brackets are shown, so this is a memory operand, right? And if we want to calculate the physical address, we have to calculate the segment base address and the effective address, right? So segment base address will come from the segment register, which is not mentioned here, so we will be using data segment, which is DS, and for base register we will use the BX value, and for index register we will use the SI value, right? Source index, right? So if we calculate the physical address, what would be the calculation? Let's do it. The segment base address would be equal to simple data segment, which is 02000, sorry, 0200. And if we want to talk about effective address, that will come from base, that is BX register plus SI, which is source index register, plus displacement 1234 hex. And if we follow this complete number, that will lead towards BX value is what, 1000 plus 2000, the value of SI, and plus 1234, right? And if we add them up, it will become equals to 4, 3, 2, and 2 plus 1 would become 4. So effective address would be 4234 hex, right? Furthermore, if we calculate the complete physical address, that will be segment base address 0200 colon effective address, which is 4234 hex, right? And if we add them up, it becomes 0200 multiplied by 10 plus 4234 hex. That value would become 0000 plus 4234 hex, and that will be equals to what? If we sum them up, physical address would become equals to 4, 3, 2, and 4 plus 2 would become 6 and 0. So 06234. This is the memory location in which we are interested, right? This is the memory location in which we are interested. And if we want to highlight that this operand is providing the physical address of this, and how I have just evaluated it in front of you guys. And this location is basically can be observed here, 06234, and its content is BE. And where we want to move that content into AH, which is the higher part of AX register, which we don't know what is its current value, right? So what is going to happen? This location value will be moved into AH, means this BE should be moved inside the AX register. Uh, so this BE will be moved inside this AH register. And let's see if it is going to happen or not. I hope you can see that I have executed it, and this value has moved here. This BE has updated, and IP is incremented again by 4 because 4 byte instruction has been executed. And so in this way, one can also use base plus index and plus displacement, right? So in this instruction, one can notice there are three elements: base, index, and 1234 are actually providing the memory location address. And that is why this instruction will be following the memory operand addressing mode. And which one of them? Based index memory operand addressing mode. I hope the concept of this memory operand addressing mode is clear. Still, if you have any confusion or query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.